I'm about to kill a nigga, I'm about to murder his man, I'm about to murder the whole fam and the next kin. His kids, his mom, his mom, his whole crew. It's all good, nigga. I'm in the hood, nigga. I don't fuck no more.
Man, don't fuck spit that shit, don't fuck up.
Go and spit my nigga. Get on these niggas who wanna cop back and forth.
I used to hustle, I ain't gonna lie, my knees shuffle. If I don't got the knife, I beat you with belt buckles. Them pussy ass niggas with the steak in their pants. If your knife don't work, I put that K in that ass. Pussy ass niggas steady hustle up back around. I'm like, fuck y'all niggas, get them bricks in your town. Any given town, get down and lay down. Nigga play the novice, play the K-round. Nigga, what you talk now? Everybody wanna talk, nigga, yeah, I'm really bout it. I ain't Master P, nigga, but I'm bout it. So let the beat drop, nigga, let the coke rock. I started from the bottom and the cream of the crop. That's just another way I'm saying I'm sitting on the top. I need a nice band, nigga, no fucking friends. What you talking about, nigga, with the gun with that? You got the motherfucking cricket. Go ahead. What?
Go ahead.
Hey yo, I live every day periodically, premeditated robbery. How you possibly take it from acting like the mythology? I'm better than the cat that shot at me. I think I'm probably by the shaft with my mirage in my hollows and pieces of swallow.
What?
Like a $5 bottle killer that killed my model. I know what's going on. Shit is commodity. I'm tucking it in society and silent. I'm making it in die. Would you rob me or fear more dog? I've been in the game so long, I can't flick in every system that I had to grow on. So my heart shot, my bitch was blind, I'm feeling down. Hey niggas wanna be with me, I ain't putting it in my rhymes, you ain't worth it. Without contact, I catch your person in the heart and further sound, look in your eyes, your nerves to start chirping. With 38 special, start squirting, put you holding your shirt, put you on the side street, you hurting. Let us be talking about you personally. Whatever verse you freestyle off the top of my brain, I keep it personally. It's all top of the brain, keep it the same, it's all shit still the same, still street.
You know the bad thing about
street fight, fussing and guzzling. That's what 13, that's what scuffling. I was big muscling, big youngin' and thuggling. Fuck the bullshit, nigga. Nigga, keep hustling. Keep talking shit, get your weird straight back. It's all good talk shit, nigga. I smack you with the big pack. The big eight, the big shit. I've had bricks. More bricks and more bricks. More chicks bringing them big cake. I got big cake breakdown, bricks to Nick. Spell along. Nigga, think strong, nigga. I'm big dick. It's all good. You're big chick, you big dick. Your chick is mine, nigga. You can't get shit. You got no jewels or watches to glisten. I'm all Swiss made, nigga, automatic, still glistening, diamonds in the pocket. Nigga, here to tell you, I'm like a OG, nigga, fussle up the rebel. Fuck with OGs, you know me. We old school OG. We drink the OE, get drunk off cheap shit. That's all good, nigga. You weak, bitch. Who is sleep, bitch? Die in your sleep, bitch, with your lick in your head. Oh, nigga, no, that's what you get for fucking with Fred, the pretty long. F-R-E-D-D-Y, the L-O-E, say Sean, nigga. No touch, no vest, bullshit, nigga. Lay the rest. It's all good, nigga. Hold your chest, hold your cold, flesh roll, bullshit, go ahead, fold like an ace of joker, non-provoking. Bullshit, nigga, I'm a herb smoker, non-choker, virgin lung. Girl got you sprung off the tongue. I'm off the heat, believe me. And I ain't no lazy, nigga. I'm like James. Hey, what's up? What's up?
Fred Banks TV, y'all.
What's up? Got me ready to go off there.
FBTV.
Hey, I can't say too much, but a nigga gotta be focused. So treat your head like a penny and put a hole in it. What you don't know about it, crowds crowd around it. 100 niggas with me. So if you really bout it, go ahead and start the beef. Right hand, knock out your teeth. Nigga play to leave your seat party with a crease. You deceive. Nigga, when I'm in the piece. Hey, Bobby said you peace can peace, but that was some bullshit. Guns with the full clip. I got a nigga put it together, make you a full flip. When it come back to basics, when it come to moving coke, nigga, I'm messed up like Jason. You can't see me, I'm the best of the best. Got a motherfucking gun that split the bone in your chest. Hey, Bobby, be talking. Matter of fact, I ain't starving. Y'all nigga better be like Christopher and keep on walking. I'm a dog, I bite, nigga. I don't bark. I got a gun that'll make your brain and body part like the Red Sea, nigga. Who better than me? Any letter in the alphabet, I am a G. I ain't take from Rick Ross. It costs to be a boss. Matter of fact, I'm capturing coke like Randy Moss. Fuck y'all niggas, y'all wanna go there. I ain't never care. New Year's, I don't waste bullets in the air. I'd rather waste them in the back with bitch nigga head, turn the coals in his legs. Yeah, you heard what I said. Plus, I got enough coke to deal with the feds. Bow down, nigga, to a nigga's better than theirs. But fuck Lil Wayne, T-Pain, and all the bullshit. Big gun, big clips, banger to the shit with. Y'all niggas ain't on my level. Fuck talk about. I put the pedal to the metal. How's the T-pedal? They say I'll throw it for 50. Nigga come against me. Matter of fact, Teddy Bone. Fred with me. Jimmy Swagger, he stay with the dagger, toe tag your nigga, and then I jab you. Fuck y'all. 100 shots, nigga, I buck y'all. Matter of fact, y'all niggas believe in Santa Claus. Y'all niggas is fake us. Matter of fact, nigga, I'm T.I. nigga, yeah, take us. Fuck you talking about, nigga, 12 rounds. I'm better than you, nigga, bow down. And I ain't no motherfucking nigga, bow wow. But I eat a bitch pussy like puppy child. I'm a motherfucking dog, nigga, what you think? What the fuck, you got a lot of money in the bank? Mom coming masked up and gassed up, and I ain't gonna ask question, nigga, I hit you up. Tell y'all niggas I'm like Pickle Shade. Nigga don't got the gun, I beat that OJ. So now you wanna be Nicole, nigga, Simpson. Keep a couple bitches, nigga, and I'm Pit Pen. And I might give a nigga live like Pit Pen. Y'all niggas talk, nigga, never forget him. I'm way better than the rest of them. Y'all niggas been more bitch than Lil' Kim.
Right.